Yo, what's going on, man? Not bad. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another vloggy vlog as we enter Manhattan from Lincoln Tunnel on this beautiful Saturday, most gorgeous Saturday, really. And we're cruising. And it's a beautiful day, really warm. 60. It's supposed to be like 50 something, but it's actually 60 something, which is super warm, super lovely, super casual. And today is like this massive Ducati ride of sorts, from Ducati, New York. So I'm actually gonna go over there and take a look. It's a little early, but you know, we'll take a look. We'll stop by. Oh, look, it's a beer store. It's already open. Hopefully it's a bar they're cleaning. But yeah, Ducati World Bike World Ride or something like that. May 4th or whatnot. But yeah, or 3rd. Yeah, it's a big, grand Ducati ride for all the Ducati fans. And that's probably why I'm not part of it. I might stop by and say hello for a second, because I did not RSVP. Please, sorry, thank you. You had to like RSVP and whatnot. So look at me, I might just cruise up and down the blocks like this. Look at this, look how beautiful this town is on a nice Saturday morning. And I have a lot of stuff in my mind. I got a lot of stuff to think about. I got a lot of tasks. But it's also Saturday, and it's like, I've been doing shit all week. Can I take a day of rest on a Saturday? Yes, the answer is yes. Meatpacking District over here. Look at this, Meatpacking District. There's 14th Street, Apple Store over here. It's a gorgeous situation. I love this area. I love this area. Being a tourist around here is fucking pure magic. Am I recording? Oh, that's wonderful as well. Everything's okay. I don't even know what my plan of attack is, because I'm gonna get to the spot. There's gonna be a bunch of bikes. So unless I recognize someone, which I probably will not, I'll probably just piss off. You know? Kind of want to cruise by myself anyway. Look at these buildings. Is that a hotel? I think it is a hotel. And that lady is like loving New York City. Look how awesome that is. Man, if I was staying in a hotel in New York City, I'd like it to be a place like this. Look at this. Gansenwurt rooftop. Ooh, there's probably a bar up there. We should go there. I need to go there for a drink. I like a rooftop bar. Big fan of a rooftop bar. That way you can take a gander. What am I talking about? Nothing. A bunch of nothing. We got a little bit of Louis Vuitton here. Totes adorbs. Bro, what's poppin'? We're gonna be alright. Look, we're all upset. Slow zone. Slow zone it is, no problem. This is definitely a touristic situation. Oh boy, we got a garbage truck you have to pass. Inopportune time. Yeah, I'm sorry. Here would be a civilian. Cute. I love this area. Greenwich Village. Big fan. Big fan around here. What's happening over there, children? Family. Look at these cute little shops. Adorability. Oh, I just had a coffee right here. What are you doing, bro? What is this? Right here. That's cute. Sick. What is this? Breakfast secret to stay in sunny all day long. Looks fancy. Looks like some sort of a special brunchy place. That's adorable. Look at these folks. It's cute. Waiting for food. I like it. 9:45. We're about to see mad Ducatis, mad bikes, super amounts of bicycles. Ooh, I love that street over there. Wingstop. Wait, which way are we going? We're going to... Look, that's the first Ducati, a Diavel. Let's be nice and gentle, because we're not part of this ride. So I want to approach unlike I usually approach, which is like a bat out of hell. I am not part of this group, but I will ride through. Why not? Yo, what's going on, man? Not bad. Cute. Let's see. I think I'm gonna do a quick walk around. You know what I mean? Let's see. I'll take a look. I'll take a look and see for a second. Oh, let's relax. Let's relax.